Today we shall learn about how to enrich your CV or curriculum vitae. Please remember, I am not telling you how to write your CV or a curriculum vitae or how to put it in your format. That is not what I am trying to discuss with you. That most of the colleges, they have a format. It is like fill in the blanks only. If you just fill in the blanks, the entire curriculum vitae becomes ready. That is not what we are discussing today. How to enrich your CV or a curriculum vitae. Remember one thing, in today's world, jobs are scarce and the number of aspirants are more. Typically, if there are 100 persons who want a job, in the first screening itself, not even 10 to 15 persons will get an interview call. So, how to stand out in a crowd is what we are discussing. Remember one thing, that your curriculum vitae should stand out in the crowd, and to do that, it's a continuous improvement. What all can you do to improve your curriculum vitae? First, remember a time frame every 6 months. Add at least 1 or 2 new additions to your CV. What can be done? Let us list them. 1. You can take some formal computer training. Now when I say formal computer training, I am not talking about your computer literacy of writing emails. It should be from excellent institutes. It could be typically a 6 months or a 1 year diploma. That is what you must have. Or if you don't have deep pockets, if you don't have time, what you can do is, depending upon your time availability as well as the money availability, you can take in a modular form one course after another. For example, you could do C, C++, or you can take Oracle and so on. What else can you do? Remember, nowadays to stand out, one commonly done thing is you must join some NGO. Joining the NGO gives you a little cutting edge over the other candidates. Typically, many of you have done work in some NGO but forget to write it in a CV. Otherwise, if there are NGOs in your institute, please join them and work vigorously. It will help you to get a job. In a society, people who are socially oriented, who are sensitive, are coveted. Now, it's a globalized world, and therefore, try to learn some new language other than English. Currently, the languages which are in a great demand are Japanese, you have Spanish, French, German. Of course, if you knew Chinese, it would be excellent to get a job, but then unfortunately, the number of Chinese professors or Chinese speaking people, Chinese teaching staff is extremely limited. Add to your language proficiency and continuously try to improve it. It enormously improves your job potential. Remember, Japanese as a rule do not speak fluent English. So even if you are able to put one word against another, may not be grammatically correct, you will still be able to do well in the interview. Again, many colleges, they advise you to take experience. Actually, experience is the bigger learning school. If you are experienced, surely you will get a job. Remember, many of us who actually are working in a family businesses forget to write it in a CV, belittling it. If you have actually worked and you can answer any question, please do write it in your curriculum vitae. Whatever chance you get to work outside, remember, take that chance. I can give you endless number of examples of such colleges where the students went out of the way. When others were enjoying, they were working hard, Today those students are smiling. Experience counts. What else can you do? Learn some new tools. For example, what is coveted today in a quality measurement and quality improvement, there is a tool by name Six Sigma. Nowadays, it is possible to get a certification course. You don't have to achieve the last, that is Six Sigma directly. You have to go in steps. So, if you have to go in steps, at least start taking major steps. Some other things could be TQM, Total Quality Management, TPM, Total Productivity Maintenance. Some of the cost-cutting tools which are very much in demand because there is a profit pressure everywhere are Kaizen, 5S, JIT or Just in Time, Value Engineering and Value Analysis. Those who are wanting a job in the marketing, one of the excellent books which will give you cutting